Assalamualaikum and greetings to Dr. Fadli. My name is Muhammad AIMAN, and today we like to present to you the proposal of BookXcess system. Before we start, I will introduce to you about our team. I am the project manager, ASLAM as the web developer, Muhammad IZZAD as the programmer, Nur ALIF as the system analyst, and ARIF SYAMIL as the database designer. Okay, now for the schedule tasks and the responsibilities. For me, as the project manager, I will manage the overall project activity, such as planning, analysis, and also control of the project. While Shamil, as the database designer, he will develop the data models, ERD, and also database normalization. While Aslam, he will design the website scheme based on the project requirement. Nor Alif will, as the data analyst, will analyze the system requirement, executing the test cases, and also documenting the results. And Izzat will writing the code according to the specification provided by the system analyst and also database designer. So now the proposal of book as a system. First, I'll present to you the company background. The business background. It is founded in 2007 by Andrew Yap and Jacqueline Ang. Focuses on affordability and accessibility of books, specialized in overstock and reminder books at up to 80% discounts. It is large, creatively designed bookstore in Kuala Lumpur, Perak and Penang, and hosts the Big Bad Wolf Sale, a massive book sale event expanded to several ASEAN countries. For the community, it's committed to fostering a reading culture and community. The business vision is to ensure everyone, regardless of their financial situation, can access and also enjoy books. Dismantle barriers to literature, making readings a fundamental part of everyday life. It also encourages a culture of reading and also intellectual curiosity across levels of societies. The community goes to empower individuals with knowledge and also foster creativity. One of the business mission is create an inclusive, inviting shopping experience and also promote literacy and the passion of for knowledge. The business objective strength is diverse, affordable books and also strong brand presence. The challenges are dependence on reduced stocks. The opportunities are market expansions and also the threat are competition from larger chains, shift in consumer behavior and also economic downturn. Now I will go to system introduction. Now for the project statement it need, first it need a user-friendly interface which is simplifies the book by process and also enhance the customer experience. Next thing is advanced search and recommendation. This will help the customer easily find the book they love. Improve inventory management to ensure accurate stock level and reliable tracking to avoid inefficiencies. And another thing is streamline reservation process to simplify and clarify reservation and purchases. Lastly is to expanded material access to offer a wide range of digital and physical materials for customers. Now for the proposed solution, what one of the proposed is to create a user-friendly interface which simplify the navigation to enhance certification and also to reduce the need for the customer support. Another thing is to efficient the transaction, clear transaction record, streamline reservation and purchases. Strong inventory management, real-time tracking, and automation prevent errors, ensuring accurate stock levels and also avoiding overstocking or stockouts. Next is enhanced digital access, such as improved access to digital content, also advanced search and recommendation features. Last thing is to have a customer feedback integration, create a support channels and quick issue resolution, ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and also enjoyable user experience.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And my name is Muhammad Arif bin NAWAWI. So I will explain more about our proposed solution. For stakeholder, we have administrator. Admin have access to our system configuration, overseeing book stock and access report. Customer, access to all books and also buying books. For system features, customer registration, uh, we would store our customer information, books catalog, allow customer to view the information of the books. Checkout books allow customer to modify quantity and also buy books. Sales report allow administrator to oversee sales report and profit make. For authentication and authorization, users will be required to log in using emails and unique password. Access privilege will be assigned based on user roles, ensuring that users only have access to specific functionalities that are relevant to their roles. Data security and privacy. The system will prioritize privacy regulations to guarantee the utmost security for the customers. User support. The user will not include a formal user training program. However, a user-friendly interface will be created to reduce the necessity for extensive training. This is the overview of our system architecture for online bookstore. We have admin with their respective database to view books and also customer. For the customer will be able to have made their payment and also have access to the books. Shipment will be made by our admin, and also shipment info will be inside the database. So this is the module of our system. The user is required to sign in. For a new user, they have to register first. For the existing user, we are separated by two users. First is the customer and the second one will be the administrator. So I will explain first about customer. Customer can create the book order. After they create the book order, the order will be retrieved on the card, and at the card they can update the quantity of the books. After that, they can insert their shipping information, and next, after they updating the shipping information, they can make payment, and then will be able to view the receipt. And lastly, will be log out. For administrator, they can create a new books by inserting the information of the books. For and then they will be able to update the existing book by by editing the information of the existing book, or delete the books that are unused or unpopular. And then the admin can also see the sales report, and then they can log out. So this is our system functionality for all user. Number one will be the home screen, a welcome screen with company logo, login option for administrator and customer. The second one would be login and log out. Customer need to insert their respective email and password to log in, and they will need to log out after finish. Administrators also need to log in order to add, update, and delete books to the website and log out after finish their jobs. Customer that did not have the email and password registered will be redirected to the registration page. For administrator, number one will be homepage. Display information regarding books that wanted to be sold. The second one will be manage book page. The administrator has the ability to modify and delete books that have previously been added to the website. Administrator have the ability to search for books by title, genre, or the author's name. A book page. The administrator has the ability to add a book by completing the required form. And lastly will be sales report page. Show the sales and profit figures for each individual book, as well as the overall total profit. The administrator also has the ability to search for the total profit of an author by using the author's name. And for customer, number one will be registration page. Customer need to insert information into the registration form. Second will be homepage. Display menu about website contents and purpose, list of books and genre. Customer have the ability to search for books by title, genre, or the author's name. Genre page. Display all books by their respective genre. Cart page. Display all the books that have been added to the cart, including the quantity and individual price of each book, as well as the total price for the entire cart. Shipping page. Customer need to insert shipping information and display the individual price of each book as well as the total price. Payment page. Customer need to choose payment type as well as the information needed to make the payment. Receipt page. Display all information of the payment has been made. This is our data flow diagram. I will explain briefly about it. We have two SN entity, which is the first one will be customer and then and admin. So we have eight process. The first one will be customer registration. Second will be book search and view. Third will be add to cart. Fourth will be checkout and shipping. Fifth will be payment processing. Sixth will be book management. Seventh will be view sales data, and eight will be admin commands. For entity relation diagram, we have six tables. The first one will be customer, book card, book, payment, admin, and lastly will be sales. So for table customer, it will link by book card, and book also will be linked to the book card. It is actually table customer and book is having a many to many relationship, but book card table is created to be the bridge entity for both table. So the book card will be linked to the payment, and payment will be linked to the sales. Admin will be linked to the table book.
So my name is ASLAM bin Muhammad Kamal. So now I will explain about the flow chart. So we go to the main flow. So first the flow will ask is we are customer or not. So if not, we go to the admin page. If yes, it will ask if we have an account or not. If no, we need to register account. And next we go to the login page. And if we have an account, we go to the login page and we go to the customer page. So for the customer flow, first we have menu, and customer need to search the book title or name or category, and they will a display of the list of book. Then customer need to choose the book and add to cart, and customer can adjust the quantity of the book from the cart. And next, customer will go to the shipping information, which is user need to fill the shipping information. And next we go to the payment, which is customer need to choose a payment type and make payment. And then lastly, the customer will receive a receipt. And if customer want to continue, then customer will go back to the display of all book. If not, customer will log out and end. So for admin flow, first admin will go to the menu. Admin can register new book or check sales report and modify already exist book on the website. If admin want to continue, there will be a looping. If not, the admin will log out. So this is our storyboard. First we have login page and register page. Next we have home page interface for customer, and then we have a book card and shipping interface. And then for we have receipt and payment method. For admin, we have book management, edit book, and add book interface.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IZZAD bin DAHARI. So now I will tell you about the summary of budget to our system. So as you can see here, this is the project budget for our system. So I will tell you briefly of the categories of our budget. Firstly, we have the software. So subtotal of the software, it will cost 18,500, and for the hardware, subtotal cost is 17,000, and other cost is will cost 3,500, and total project budget is gonna be 29,000. So now we move on to marketing budget. So this is the marketing budget on month of April 2024. So I'll just tell you briefly about the total. So the total for the budget is actually reached 64,000, but for the actually it's gonna be 60,000. So now this is the production budget. So production budget, we have a lot of categories. Let's say we have the personal cost and technology resource, infrastructures, training and workshops, and miscellaneous. So let's move on to the production process. So this is the production process. So process of our system is designed for selling books, follow a streamlined process from user login to logout, catering to both customers and administrators. So first process is user authentication. Initially, customer and administrator must log in into the BookXcess system using their email and password. Next, customer dashboard. Upon successful login, customers are presented with the dashboard that include the following options. Let's say we have the book catalogs, uh, card management, checkout and payment, and also logout. Now about the administrator dashboard. Upon a successful login, administrators are presented with a dashboard that includes the following options. Firstly, we have a book management that admin can add, update, or remove books from the inventory. Next, we have order management, like view and handle customer orders. Next, we have reports and analytics to generate sale reports. And we have system information, configure system setting for smooth operation, and also logout. So, lastly, we have production planning for a book access system. First is requirements gathering that collect detailed requirements from stakeholders to understand system needs. And then we have system design that outline features, function, and create a project plan. And then agile development, use agile methodologies for construction testing and deployment. And next we have through testing, rigorously test the system to ensure functionalities and reliabilities. And lastly, maintenance and monitoring that continuously monitor and improve the system based on feedback and data. That's from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad ALIF, and now I'll be presenting our system benefits. So our book access system expects to face some competition, which are direct competition and indirect competition. For direct competition, our system might face competition from major online books retailers such as Amazon and Book Depository. For indirect competition, e-book platforms such as Apple Books and Google Play Books might impact book access by offering their digital alternatives to physical books. On the other hand, some of the advantages that our system have are this comprising extensive selection and user-friendly platform. For this comprising, our system will offer a significantly lower prices compared to the traditional and online retailers by sourcing our stock and recommended books. Another one is extensive selection. For extensive selection, our system will provide a diverse range of titles across various genres and updating our inventory to keep customers engaged. For the user-friendly platform, our system will create a website which features easy navigation and detailed book descriptions, which will enhance the overall shopping experience for the customers. For our marketing strategies, there are two main strategies that we focus on, which are pricing strategy and product strategy. For pricing strategy, Our system plans to engage customers through content marketing, where we'll create a blog with book-related posts, authentic reviews, author interviews, and personalized reading lists. For product strategy, our system focus on offering a wide variety of good quality and affordable books to the customers. Moving on to our marketing plan, some of the features that we want to focus for our marketing plan are the user-friendly platform, the efficient and seamless transactions of purchases, our strong inventory management, our improved access to digital content, and the customer feedback integration to ensure a smooth experience for all users. We also have a specific marketing plan to attract more customers, where we want to focus on understanding customer needs and then designing an easy navigation to help customer find books effortlessly, and then sending customized emails with book recommendations and special deals, and then fostering more connections through online forums and book clubs, and then having customer to send a feedback so that we can continue to improve our systems. Next, for our Gantt chart, for the first 3 weeks, we will focus on the guidelines and research of our project. And then for week 4 until week 6, we will focus on the development for our system. And then for week 7 until week 9, we will make the system integration and test our system to be prepared for the presentation. And then from week 10 to week 12, we will deploy our system and for training. For our project implementation schedule, from week 1 to week 4, we will gather as much information as we can, and then we will make the planning for our system. From week 3 to week 6, we will start to design our system, and then for week 6 until week 10, we will write the coding, and then from week 10 to week 13, we will focus on the testing and review of our system. For week 12 until week 14, we will focus on the maintenance. In conclusion, our book access system revolutionizes book discovery and purchasing, where users can explore an extensive catalog of affordably priced books. Administrator can organize and circulate books within BookXcess library network, where key features include efficient book management, user accounts, advanced search, and seamless reservations. Our system offers a user-friendly dashboard with insights into sales report, genres, and inventory levels. Automated notifications keep customers informed about orders and promotions, while streamlined checkout and return processes enhance the overall experience. By tailoring these features to BookXcess needs, the system empowers both readers and enthusiasts. That's all from us. Thank you.